Hello everyone, this is Ryan from the ProfitTrailer team. You may have seen me on the ProfitTrailer Discord support server as RF Radio. This video is all about the configuration properties file. So as you have set up or begun your setup and done your applications properties file, the next thing you're going to do is probably your configuration properties file, and you have a few settings here. For some in-depth information on the configuration, there is the wiki page here, which you can get to when you go to the ProfitTrailer wiki. Down here under setup files, it's configuration.properties. Click that, brings you to this page here, and it gives you all the overview of what we're about to talk about. So if I go back to my document here under my text editor, we're going to start with sell order settings. You have sell, fill, or kill. In this case, it's defaulted to false. And sell, immediate, or cancel equals true. So the sell, fill, or kill, what that is if you set that to true, it will try and set fill or kill orders, which are orders that need to be executed immediately in their entirety in a single buy, or they're going to be canceled. That's what it is. So it's a single buyer buying up your sell order immediately. That's a fill or kill. Right now, there's a warning on the wiki page to not use fill or kill on Binance or Bittrex until further notice. It's not working correctly there. So the only option if you're on Binance or Bittrex is immediate or cancel. An immediate or cancel order is where your bot places the order, whether it's a buy or sell, and it's going to need to be bought nearly immediately, but it can be bought by multiple buyers at one time if it's a sell order. It doesn't have to be a single buyer buying out your sell order in its entirety. It can be a whole bunch of buys to take your sell order immediately, or it's going to cancel. When it says immediate, it waits a few seconds before it goes ahead and cancels. Then, in this case, you want to mark it true. If you don't mark one of these true, you're going to get a message, an error message on your bot, on your bot's command window saying that the DCA strategy runner cannot run. It will not do DCA if you have both set to false. And the same thing goes for buy orders, fill or kill, immediate cancel is the same concept. Whatever you set for your sell, you should also set for your buy. In this case, I have immediate or cancel set to true on both, and fill or kill set to false. If you set them both to false in addition to the DCA strategy runner error, you're also going to end up having all of your coins bought immediately being sent to the pending log, and then the bot's just going to buy them again. And when it goes to the pending log, unless you've got a trigger set to pull them out of there when it reaches a certain level of profit, then you're not going to sell. So make sure one of these is set to true always. Then you have your dust settings right below that here. These are defined by what exchange you're on. So if you want to use it, if you're on Bittrex, you just take the comment lines out of here if you have your configuration set file set up this way. Otherwise, these aren't going to work. So make sure you take the comment line off whichever exchange you're on. This is just defining the levels at which the coin is going to be placed into your dust log. These are the default settings for each exchange. These are what the exchange considers to be dust. Anything below these levels makes it so that, like, if you have a coin that's valued and anywhere below these levels, you're not going to be able to trade it because it doesn't meet the trade level minimum for your exchange. You could always set these higher too if you just want to send stuff to the dust log earlier. It's up to you. But if you just leave these as defaults, it'll behave as if the exchange is saying, okay, this is dust, I don't like it anymore. Away it goes to dust log, and that's where it'll sit until the bot buys more of that coin in order to bring it up out of the dust log. Hide dust true, just leave that as it is. And then you have your test mode here. This test mode is for when you first set up your bot and you're unsure if your strategy is going to run. If you set this to true, the bot is going to go into a test mode and will not actively trade on the exchange. It's just going to run trades in the terminal window or the command window that you have it running in. You will see the buys and sells attempt to be made there, but it's not paper trading. It's not going out and placing fake orders on the exchange or using any kind of order on the exchange to do paper trading. It's just running the strategy based on the feedback from the exchange in your command window to make sure that your strategy will actually work. And by work, I mean it'll actually allow the bot to buy and sell. So that is it for your configuration properties setup. As always, happy botting.